Hey, if you're a girl and thought you couldn't change a tire, no sweet, I will show you how. Put on the parking brake and put the car in parking. First, turn on your blinker lights and then open the trunk. Then, under the carpet in the trunk, you will find the toes and your spare tire. Be careful when you lift out the spare, it can be heavy. Put those warning signs behind your car so no one hits you. Some cars have covers on the wheels to hide the nuts. You need to take those off. Then, without wrench, loosen the nuts a little bit one by one. Don't take them all the way off yet. If you're not strong, you can use your body weight to help. Next, put the jack under the car, close to the flat tire. You will see a spot under the car where you can put the jack. Then, lift it up carefully, it takes some work. Once the car is up, take off the rest of the nut and take off the flat tire. Put the flat tire under the car, just in case the jack falls. Then, put on the spare tire and put the nut back on. Don't tighten them all the way yet. Just enough to hold the tire. Once the spare is on, lower the car with the jack and then tighten the knot all the way so the tire is on tight. And that is it. You are good to drive again.